everybody, I'm Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your makeup using jojoba oil. What we are going to use for this jojoba oil makeup remover is, well, obviously some jojoba oil and some aloe vera water or aloe vera juice and an empty recipient to mix the two. So let's get going. I prefer using a jojoba oil makeup remover, well, other than for the obvious reason that it's more natural. The jojoba oil is also a type of oil that is very similar to the oils that your skin naturally produces, and so it won't leave your skin feeling like neither too dry nor too oily. As for the aloe vera juice or aloe vera water, it has soothing and skin repairing properties that will help when removing the makeup of your skin, not to damage it too much. The way I usually mix it is I put 2 parts aloe vera juice and 1 part jojoba oil. And I'm not very strict about the exact quantities. I'll just mix it by the eye. I'm not mixing too much of a quantity at once. I prefer to make smaller quantities that I can use for maybe 1 to up to 2 weeks and then mix a new one again. Since this is mixture of an oil with a water-based substance, obviously the oil and the water will separate, so every time before use you will have to shake it well to mix the 2 ingredients together. This is my jojoba oil and aloe vera juice makeup remover, and now for the way that I use it is very simple with a cotton round ball. First I mix it. There it goes. And then you pretty much use it like any other makeup remover. Soak the cotton ball into the liquid and then use it to remove the makeup of your face. One thing that I really like about it is that it's really safe to use even on the eyes to remove mascara or eyeliner, any kind of eye makeup. And obviously if you have heavier makeup on, you will need more of it. Right now all I'm wearing is very light foundation, some mascara and some lipstick. I will also use it to remove my lipstick, but I will take a fresh cotton ball for that because this one is already all used up. So this is about it. I've used 2 full cotton balls, almost completely soaked into the mixture to remove all my face makeup. But to see if it actually worked that well, I will do a test with a fresh cotton ball with a regular makeup remover on my face to see if there's any makeup left. The makeup remover that I usually use when I ran out of my own mixture and I'm too lazy to mix a new one, which is by Neutrogena Makeup Removing Cleansing Lotion. A fresh new cotton ball, and first I will use it on my face just to see if there's any makeup left. And even if I rub it everywhere, well, you should never rub too hard on your skin, you have to be careful. As you can see, there's absolutely no makeup left on my face. And I will also try it on my eyes to see if it removed the mascara perfectly. As you can see, again, there is no mascara left on my eyes. So Yes, that means that it works. Let me know in the comment section below if you ever use jojoba oil to remove your makeup. Do you use it by itself or do you mix it with other ingredients? I'm very curious to hear all of your opinions about it. If you've liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, as well as ring the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I bring a brand new video to you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time!